Hey everyone, Esteban here at Flexpipe. Let's have a look today at the table starter kit so we can see it here. Moves nice and easy, very nice height to work. So this here is a quick and easy assembly project that can help anybody get started with the pipe and joint system. The starter table kit here is specifically designed for the Flexpipe area if you have one, and or any other maintenance moonshine shop that may need a table in order to work. So this is just a very simple introduction to the system, so take advantage of that. To ensure the easy and accurate assembly of this particular project here, we've provided you with an assembly plan with all of the dimensions needed in order to put this together in a quickly and efficient way, and essentially getting rid of any confusion or guesswork by having the plan provided. So what's included in the kit? We have everything to put the table together: casters, pipes cut to length. We have the connectors, nuts and bolts, the surface, half-inch surface all ready to install, and the assembly plan to help you make life easy. All right, so if you have about 30-45 minutes, you can go ahead and put this together. It's as easy as that. So all you need to put it together is a T-handle 5mm wrench and a 1/2-inch square head Robertson's drill bit in order to put the surface and install it together. Okay, so that is all you need. So take advantage, and I'll see you guys for the next one.